And for now, I want to invite Shamid Patel and Clifford Oluoch, who are the people behind the homeless of Nairobi. Welcome, gentlemen. Now, they are the people who are taking care of Peter and Maurice and 27 others. Welcome. And they're the ones who are now currently helping them. And Shamid, you know, it's very funny that it's until this video went viral that, you know, people started to have this conversation about street families, street children. At what point did you decide that you want to take this on?
We started this in late 2014. I think it was August 2014. Yes. And I based it on the Humans of New York vibe, the website, the Facebook page that they have. So, except we changed it up. We went out there taking pictures of individual homeless people, learning their stories, because a lot of people, they look at homeless people as the wallpaper of Nairobi, and they're just there, they ignore them, or they're afraid of them. There's a stigma attached to them. So what we decided is that we need to humanize it, the whole situation. So we used to tell real, powerful stories about the homeless people, and it became something powerful online. Right. And the reactions we got, people wanted to help, so we had to create a system on how to help.
All right.
And that's when I met Clifford.
And that's when you met him. All right, for Clifford, because of time, of course, Peter and Maurice have mentioned that, you know, one of the things that they yearn is education. Yes. Tell us about the home and what exactly, how can people who are watching right now, instead of just feeling, oh yes, I'm inspired, or I feel sorry, or whatever, moving forward, what is it that you'd want from people who are watching and are willing to help for kids like Maurice and Peter?
Okay, our message has always been that for statistical purposes, if there are 300,000, as he calls them, chokoras, all that I'm looking for is for 300,000 Kenyans to take up the challenge. I said that last time, and I'm going to say it again. So the people out there, the message is very simple, right? I mean, to educate to educate a person in a public school, right, it's not more than 3,000-4,000 shillings per month.
That's true. Educate,
shelter, and everything. So the many people who have come out, they don't know the structures and all that. They don't know what to do or where to send the money. People are willing to help, and not only to help homeless of Nairobi, but to help in general. And that's how we started off with the street feeding program, because we wanted to do something, and we wanted to do something small. It became big, right? So the people out there, you want to do something, right? There are many organizations, there are many people who are actually helping the homeless, right? Just identify where you want your money to go, right?
And do something.
And do something. The other thing is that you're also trying to get the churches to take it up as a challenge, you know, kind of, because the churches have got a powerful voice.
Right.
Yes, if they take it up, we're good to go.
All right.
Yes.
Great. So